Now we're going to install the micro SD memory card. I suggest you at least get a 128 gigabyte card. The storage can be upgraded all the way up to 1 terabyte. With all the games, videos, and books available on Amazon Kids Plus, the more storage, the better your experience will be. Here, we're just going to remove the Amazon Kids Fire tablet from the protective case. Here you can see the tablet speakers, and on this side here is where we'll insert the SD memory card. The memory card slot is spring loaded, so you just press it in until you hear a little click, and then replace the cover, and you're done. Here, we'll go into settings and then into storage and see that the tablet recognizes the memory card. So now we'll just format it as internal storage, so that way we can now use it for apps, games, videos, movies, and books. Now that the micro SD card is formatted, the next thing you want to do is go into device options and update your tablet.